What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to more thrashing on NFL. We're down to today's Monday, races on Saturday. Like 5 days, 4 days technically. We want to try at least, I don't know, it'd be nice to hit the road and go do some tuning and stuff Thursday night. So we got Monday night, Tuesday night, Wednesday. We got three more nights to get this thing finished up. So just out here thrashing after work a little bit, getting some stuff done. So I just got done cleaning. These injectors are kind of gummed up. Cleaned them, flowed them. Everything's good. So injectors are ready to get tossed in, so we can get that wrapped up. Get the injectors in. We'll get the return line, feed line, all that stuff on. Seth is getting the shifter cables back in the car right now, and because there's missing cables in the shifter base, so he's knocking that out. We got the exhaust converted to the new flange and welded up. Knocked that out real quick yesterday, so that's ready to go on. This is a pipe that came off my GSX that I built like, I don't know, maybe like 10 years ago. So we just need to clean it up a little bit, and then we'll get that slapped on, get the exhaust on, and then we can get the wastegate on and just kind of keep plugging away. So I mean, there's still lots of stuff to do. I gotta get the boost controller over here and stuff, but we're waiting on parts for the cold side. But we can technically, if we got it to the point, we can start it up without that cold side being built. We gotta get the map sensor still plumbed in and stuff. So got a decent amount still to do. Garage is a mess, but we're thrashing a couple more days. Let's see if we can get it done. GSD baby, let's get to it. Alright, it may not look like it, but we got some more stuff done today. I mean, visually, it doesn't really look like much more, but fuel line's on. We started working on the fuel pressure regulator, but I'm say we're getting to call it a night. We had to get, oh yeah, we got the exhaust. The exhaust is on now. This looks pretty good. This is the one I made a long time ago for my other car, but that one just had to do the flange. That's on. Knocked a few things out, but calling it a night. We'll get some more stuff done tomorrow. So we'll pick this video back up tomorrow. All right, well, just like that, another night gone. Back here in the garage, and we gotta get some more stuff done. We're down to, what's today's Tuesday. We got Tuesday night, Wednesday night, Tuesday and Wednesday, man. I kind of want to be hitting the road with this thing Thursday night to kind of do some street tuning and stuff with it, but we'll see how it goes. So Seth should be here shortly from work. I got home a little sooner, but I think the parts came in. Yeah, he already kind of tossed them on this morning. So we can get these lines made up, do the fuel pressure regulator, the fitting for the oil return line down there. Got to kind of wrap up some wiring. And then we go from there. I'm gonna take this. Oh Jesus, that line is destroyed, huh? Well, I'll see if we can get that off, but I want to get rid of this bracket. I don't like that bracket being there. So we'll see if we mess with that. Then we got interior wiring and stuff to do too. So try to get the engine bay. Oh, I got some aluminum straps. We're gonna just get rid of these. So that radiator fan pushes us a little farther forward than we'd like. So. Which you might have actually had space. You might have actually had space on this side for a fan. Maybe. But anyways, we're going to build some little aluminum brackets. Do it like that, and that's tucked underneath there. So bing, bang, bang, boom, boom. All right, let's get to it. GSD, baby. Let's go. We're getting close. Closer. Still got to finish the cold side. That freaking fitting. That fitting showed up today, but Seth took it out of the box to look at it, and then didn't put it back in the box. And he brought the empty box from his house, so that full. So we can get that. We can get the cold side done tomorrow. So that's no big deal. Try to get everything else. Well, man, I'm trying to get everything else done today, so there isn't much to do tomorrow. But we still got all day tomorrow to kind of do stuff. But I kind of want to get this thing fired up tomorrow. So we should be able to. I'm getting ready to get the oil return line fabbed up for the turbo, and then that'll be completely done. Turbo lines, fittings, everything will be good there. We got the hot side good. He's looking for a stainless steel clutch line so we can get rid of this bracket and stuff before we put that on, and then we can bleed the clutch and see how the clutch feels. We got the fuel system. I got the fuel system 100% feed line. Got the return line all ran. Got it rerouted to the factory return. Little bracket there holding the fuel pressure regulator. So just tighten that nut there a little bit. Throttle cable should hopefully be here soon. Tomorrow, hopefully. If not Thursday. I think he said tomorrow. So. But he's been tearing apart the inside, kind of getting that cleaned up. We still got to do some wiring on the inside. But I'm going to get this oil return line knocked out real quick. And then just keep plugging away, man. All right, I'm about to call it another night. We got another decent amount done. It's just these little tedious things that don't really seem like we got anything done. As opposed to when we slapped a motor in, a trans, a turbo kit. That stuff, like, that's really obvious. But I just got done fabbing up these little brackets here because the stock ones didn't put the radiator where we wanted it, so just a couple little brackets there. Got the oil return line done, so it's kind of dark. You can see it up in there. Oil return line, feed line is good. Already did the breathers, so yeah, man. The last thing we really got to fab up is the cold side, which we'll get that done tomorrow. Set fuel lines. Fuel pressure, fuel lines and stuff are done. So what we need to do too is get the tank drained, check out the fuel pump, and get some E85 in it.
Here we got interior cleaned out. We got.
Oh, yep. He's working on the interior, which is looking pretty good. So he's got to do a little bit of wiring in here. He's got to wire up O2 sensor, gauges, so not too much really to do in here, just a little bit, but yeah, interior's looking good. And then got the back headlights and stuff we still got to put on bumper. But I mean, man, we should get pretty close tomorrow to finishing this up. So hopefully is the throttle cable, when's that supposed to be in? Thursday. Well, we can start it without a throttle cable. So we'll see what happens. I want to hit the road Thursday with it, but we'll see. Let's see what happens. Oh, we still got to do some wheel studs. That's why this stuff's all apart still. wheel studs. We got to drop the. You drop the exhaust?
Oh, yeah.
So.
Let's do that tomorrow.
Because we just got this side exhaust, so we don't need the full exhaust obviously on.
Yeah, do fuel pump and exhaust tomorrow.
Then we got to check out. We just got to top off the transfer case, top off the rear diff, make sure those fluids are good, and then everything underneath should be good. We'll be able to put this thing on the ground once we get some wheel studs. Get this all back together. So, but that's going to do it for this. I don't know if I'm going to end this on this video. I might. What did we do? We did another video. I don't know. We'll decide. If I end it here, like, comment, subscribe. We'll catch you guys on the next one. And if I don't, then we'll see you guys tomorrow. GSD, baby.